Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing quadrilateral exercise point 2. So today's section I am going to discuss the sixth problem, that is show that the line segment joining the midpoint of a opposite sides of a quadrilateral is bisect each other. So here the line segment joining the midpoint of opposite sides of a quadrilateral. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral, E is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of BC, G is the midpoint of DC, and H is the midpoint of AB. So here opposite sides. So here opposite AD, opposite is a BC, right? So these two midpoint joining, and here AB opposite to DC. So here these two midpoint joining these two. So here frame the two line segment, right? So these two line segments are bisect each other. We want to show these two line segments are bisect each other. Is it clear? So first write down given. So what they given here? Quadrilateral. They given quadrilateral, right? So write down quadrilateral ABCD in which line segments HF and EG joining each other, right? So this one is the given, and to prove what we want to prove here, the HF and EG are bisect each other, right? HF and EG bisect each other, right? So here we want to prove these two line segments are bisect each other. Is it clear? So here we want to make a construction. So what is a construction? It means join EF. So join here EF. So here is the F, and join FG, and join GH, and join HE, and also join AC, right? So here construction join EF, FG, GH, HE and AC. Is it clear? Then prove. So consider a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AB, and F is the midpoint of BC. F is the midpoint of BC. So in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of BC. It means AC is a parallel to EF by midpoint theorem. So write down here EF is parallel to AC and EF is half of AC. Call this equation by midpoint theorem. Is it clear? So similarly, in a triangle ADC, H is the midpoint of AD, G is the midpoint of DC. It means GH is a parallel to AC and GH is a half of AC. So in a triangle ADC, HG is parallel to AC and HG is equal to half of AC. Call this equation 2 by midpoint theorem, right? So here from equation 1 and 2, see here EF is a parallel to AC. Here GH is a parallel to AC. It means EF is a parallel to GH and EF is equal to GH because EF is equal to half of AC, GH is equal to half of AC. RHS are equal means LHS are equal, right? So from equation 1 and 2, EF is parallel to HG and EF is equal to HG. So here quadrilateral EFG, these two lines are parallel and equal to each other. It means it is a parallelogram, right? So now therefore EFGH is a parallelogram. Reason: one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal and parallel, right? So it is a parallelogram, and here this implies H, F and EG are the diagonal of a parallelogram. EFGH, right? So we know that in a parallelogram the diagonals are bisect each other, right? So this implies the line segment HF and EG bisect each other. So reason: in a parallelogram diagonals are bisect each other. So hence the line segment joining the midpoint of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Bisect each other. Hence proved. Is it clear?